Hey everybody, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic with one of Mr. Domestic's quick tips. I'm still spreading joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play, just in a more condensed version. And this video is all about strip piecing. And if this is new for you, it's going to blow your mind. So I am making these little blocks. I have to make 4 of these per color, and it calls for 4 of these 4x4 squares, and then 16 of these 2x4 strips, and then 16 of these 2x2 squares. I'm going to show you an easier way to do it than cutting all of those itty bitty. Okay, so as I stated, this pattern, it called for 1, 2, 3, 4 of these squares, and then 1, those. This is going to get sewn together. Another pair, another pair, and another pair, which works. It's totally fine. It works. But with strip piecing, what you would do instead is you've counted them all out. Instead of cutting 4 4-inch squares, there's a 16 by 4-inch rectangle. Instead of cutting 4 2x4 of these, this is a 16 by 2 and another 16 by 2. So you would sew these two together, and then you would cut them. So efficient, so awesome, yay. See, this took like 2 seconds. And I'm gonna cut this at 4. Right here. 1. 2. 3. And let me just show you this right here, because this is what most of the blocks would look like. It wouldn't be even, but with strip piecing, see how it's evenly 4 inches. It just calls for a more precise quilt in the end, as well as it being efficient. So yeah, you can strip piece now. Yay. So now you can do strip piecing, and you partner this with chain piecing, and it would exponentially, I'm saying exponentially, it would exponentially decrease the amount of time that it took for you to make a quilt. So have at it. Be on the lookout in your projects to find ways to strip piece. So if you enjoyed this, thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you got a laugh. Keep it positive, Mr. Domestic out.